Welcome back. Today we've got some goodies that I picked up from my recent vacation to Orlando, Florida. And that's why I've been on hiatus for the last few weeks. I also wanted to thank everyone so much for 100 subscribers. We hit over that mark actually a few weeks ago. I had pre-recorded a couple of videos when the vacation hit right after that. I didn't have any videos left to put out, but here I am back and at it. I'm hoping to make more videos coming up in the next few weeks here. Today I'm going to be unboxing these things, so stick around and find out. As you can tell, I bought something from Hermes. I actually bought 2 things from Hermes. Gifts and things. I, of course, didn't have a super huge budget for this because most of it was spent on Disney World because we went to Orlando, Florida. There's actually another thing that I got besides this, but let's see what they are first. As you can tell, this is a Twilly. I got this for myself. This is the first time I've unboxed it since I got it at the store. This was bought in Hermes Miami. I do not have any Hermes stores near me, so this was kind of a bit of a joy, actually. The colors are super pretty. They're very appropriate for summer and such. And I like having the Twilly box so that I can actually store my Twillies. I right now don't really have a very formal way of storing my Twillies. I kind of just hang them up on like a little hook area, my garment rack. But you can see this is the Twilly, the front and the back. Making sure to record this unboxing in case there's any issues that go wrong. It's called the Twilly Carré Volant in Lilas Rose Pale Hermes. It's 100% silk because all of their things are always silk. It's kind of cute because there's like little things in here that are reminiscent of Hermes, such as the little orange shopping bag and their little Twilly box in here and their other gift bags. I was debating between this one and another one, and the reason why I picked this one is because when you wrap it around a handle, the colors look really pretty. I don't use my Twillies for any other purpose besides wrapping it around a handle of a bag. I'm not the kind of person to tie it into my hair. I have hair scrunchies with bows for that reason. But like as you can see, it looks really nice when it's wrapped around a cylindrical surface. Like for example, my hand right now, which looks very hippie-ish. But it's very pretty. The other Hermes item I got is a gift for my dad, and we will reveal it here. This is my first time opening it since the sales associate wrapped it, and she said she put a little gift in there for dad, so we'll see. I'm unboxing it now to show you on camera and then to give it to my dad later. As you can see, I got the Bastia coin purse in the color gold. It's actually really interesting seeing this color in person because I always thought it was a lot more yellow. And this is an Epsom leather. This is the kind of leather that you would see on their handbags. It's just interesting to have an actual piece of Epsom leather and to tell what the handbags are actually like. And this is it. Just put your coins in here. I've seen people put their cards in here. I'm not sure if a card can fit in here. But yeah, we got this side, bada bing and bada boom. It's pretty simple. It just says Hermes Paris on the inside. The reason why I got my coin purse is actually pretty funny. Whenever my dad has loose change, he just tosses it into his cup holder of his car. And then I asked him, what do you do with that when it's full? And he says, oh, I just carry it to the little jar I used to keep all my change. And I'm like, Dad, how do you carry all of that? There's like so many coins in that cup holder. Probably when you transfer. And he's like, yeah, I guess I just do it. And I'm like, no, no, we can't have that. Hopefully he likes it. If he doesn't, I might have to try to find a way to sell it. I purchased it in the design district in Miami. And this is another thing that I got, which is Chanel. Sorry, my voice can be annoying. I don't know why, but whenever I visit Chanel, I get a business card. But whenever I visit Hermes, I've never been given a business card. I visited Hermes twice, once in Chicago and now in Miami. And no one seems to give me a business business card. Is that normal? Or are they just not interested in me? I don't know if that's a thing to be given a business card, or if I have to ask for their contact. But I don't know, it just rubbed me the wrong way. Leave me down your experiences down below if you think that they should have given me a business card, because I always get a business card whenever I go to Chanel. I feel like I've always gotten better customer experiences at Chanel compared to Hermes. I really did click with Maria at Miami when I went there, who was a sales assistant. I really clicked with her and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm actually clicking really well with an Hermes sales associate. And then I realized when I tried to buy the Twilly that she said, no, I have to direct you to another sales associate instead to get the sale, because she was just an assistant. So she couldn't take the sale, which was like such a bummer because I would have loved to have her as a sales associate. But this is the Chanel item that I got, and I got it as a gift for my mom. Also unboxing it on camera today in case any issues arise, because I've had issues before from not unboxing things on camera. So this serves as a dual purpose. One, to share things with you guys, and also for my own record keeping purposes. Ooh, this is a beautiful dust bag. Oh, it's so soft. You cannot feel this through the video and with the screen of what you're seeing, but this is so soft. It's like a cloud. This is like a squishy foam on it or something here. Yeah, squishy foam. Like 3 layers of squishy foam. That, and da-da, and da-da. And you ready for the big reveal? Ta-da! It's a little bit off center, but it's a brooch. It's a gift to my mom. I don't know if I can technically call it a gift because she wanted me to pick her up a brooch. This one is not in season currently, I believe. The sales associate showed me some that were in season and some that were from last season or whatever, with some pearls on it, and it's gold hardware. It's actually more like a light gold hardware, which makes it even better because it's like silvery in some light. It's not too deep of a obnoxious deep gold. I love champagne or light gold hardware because it's so pretty. I think it's so subtle, and it's just that light hint of gold that you love, but not that deep obnoxious yellow gold. I think that's also another reason why I like rose gold, because it's pinkish gold and it's not your typical obnoxious yellow gold. But I also sometimes don't like silver. I'm not partial to silver, especially with my hardware on my handbags and stuff, but I love light gold. The one thing I would be careful about, and I would be a little bit concerned about, is some of these pearls falling out, because I have seen people talk about how Chanel costume jewelry and other fake jewelry items and accessories have stones and pearls that fall off. So that's for my mom to find out. My sales associate was like, I'm pretty sure you'll love it, as I was walking out the door, and I told her, oh, you know, if she doesn't like it, I'll just steal it for myself. It's no biggie. And my boyfriend had a laugh at that. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video and a recent update from Miami. If you love couture, style, and analysis, aka CSA, that's all we do on this channel. Please go like and subscribe and turn on the bell to get your weekly notifications of a weekly CSA, PSA, Hot to the Press weekly. I'm Mimi. I'm your host, and until our next one, bye!